Hey you, stop right there. Are you looking for legit ways to make money watching videos? Well, you clicked on the right video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 legit ways to make money watching videos in 2023. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at the first legit way to make money watching videos. The name of this website is Grab Points. So free gift cards for watching TV, answering surveys, completing offers. So guys, if you just don't want to watch TV to make money, you can also answer surveys and complete offers. Now, all you need is your email address and make up a password and click right here to sign up. Or you can use Facebook or Google to sign up. Now, how it works. So advertisers pay Grab Points for engagements. We recruit members like you. You do online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. And you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. Now here's the PayPal right here. So you need at least $5 to cash out. And if you don't want the PayPal cash, you can get an Amazon gift card. And you need $5 to get the Amazon gift card. And they also have free Visa cards, Google Play codes, and as you can see, a lot more ways to cash out your points. Now here's the live feed right here. So these are surveys you can fill out and make money. Now what I'm going to do is show you how it looks inside this website. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So to watch videos, you just go right here where it says watch. And here are two ways to watch videos. This one right here or this one right here. And all you have to do is click where it says start. So it says 7 points, 3 videos with ads, credits unlimited times, videos must contain ads either before or after the video in order to be credited. So all I got to do, guys, is look at videos, watch the ad, and get paid. Very, very simple. All right, guys, let me go ahead and go to the next website. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website, Earnably. So it says here, digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys. It's that easy. You just click right here to sign up. Here's the offer walls right here. It's very similar to Grab Points. As you can see, they show how many points you're going to get and how long the offer is. Now here are the rewards. So you get PayPal cash, Amazon gift card, Domino's, and a lot of other rewards you can get. You can also invite friends and earn money that way too. Now guys, I'm not going to spend all day on this website. It's similar to Grab Points. So go to earnably.com, sign up, watch videos, and do other tasks and get paid. Now let me go to the final website. Okay guys, I'm at the final website. Name of this website is Media Rewards. So watch TV, listen to radio, get rewarded. So Media Rewards is the easiest way to turn your media exposure into rewards. You just put your email right here to sign up. What is Media Rewards? Earn easy cash rewards by watching TV, YouTube, and listening to radio. To start making money and earning free gift cards, just install the app, leave it in the background, as easy as it sounds. So guys, what they're saying is that You can open an app, start watching TV or YouTube, but you can leave it on in the background. You really don't have to sit up there and watch it. Just have it on in the background and you're going to make money that way. So how it works. So you sign up. Every month we have limited spots. Download and fill out your profile to qualify. Watch and enjoy. The app runs smoothly in the background. Just sit back, relax, and start watching your favorite shows on TV. Make easy cash, win points, take paid surveys, earn cash, and free gift cards. It's that simple, guys. Now, this is a very, very important thing right here. Now, they respect your data and privacy. So they will not be tracking any of your conversations. Audio never records anything. That's good to know, guys. Here are some testimonies of what people are saying about this website. So this person right here said, great way to earn money without actually doing anything. Now here's the rating. So 4.8 out of 5 stars. Excellent app. It's not that many apps out there that's 4.8, guys. And in the Google Play Store, it's 4.7. That's pretty high in the Google Play Store too. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about all 3 of these ways. And please share this video all around the internet. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers. Again, thank you for watching. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go watch these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.